Today's question is, how does one know if they have more than just intuitive abilities? So, everybody has intuition. To me, intuition is the foundation of psychic and mediumistic abilities. So, let's look at the word psychic. Psychic means of the soul, same root word as psyche, which we often think of as the mind, but in reality is actually the soul. So we all have souls, therefore, we all have those soul qualities, those soul gifts, and those soul talents. Now, within us, those soul qualities sort of sit at a certain point. Some of us come into this life and those abilities or capabilities or qualities are closer to the surface. Others are completely unaware and have no interest in those qualities or capabilities are much further down. Normally, when someone is born, more in touch or more with those soul qualities or those soul talents at the surface, we tend to call those people naturally gifted. And oftentimes there is sort of this way of looking at it as if naturally gifted is better. It's the same thing with any talent or capability. Some people are, like music, for example, come into this lifetime with a musical talent that is just natural. Some people are natural athletes. Some people are natural artists. However, that doesn't mean that you can't learn and you can't develop. For those who are what we would call maybe a natural, who have a capability to maybe refine, hone, or develop those abilities to a higher level, oftentimes those people report having psychic or intuitive experiences or mediumistic experiences early on in life. But that doesn't necessarily mean that if you don't have that, that it can't be developed. Sometimes an experience in life, such as a big shift, a big change, or even a trauma can bring those gifts and awarenesses to the surface, but other times it's just a matter of learning to see what you're capable of. And similar to learning the piano, some people may find that even if they didn't have musical talent, that they're actually decent. Some people will find that they take to it like a duck to water and they can play beautiful pieces of music, and maybe some people might find that it's not quite as easy for them, but they could still learn to peck out, chopsticks or Mary Had a Little Lamb, and that's okay. But we can all do it to some degree.